Hello guys, welcome back. I'm sorry I some kind fixed the problem, and as you can see our Python is running very well now. You can run the file here, and as you can see the answer is down there. Okay, if you want to use Pycharm, you just search Pycharm, go to the site, you can download it and then activate. It has some prices, not free. Anaconda and Jupyter, they are free. You can code on them. I will run the final code on them too. But if you want something more black, I say you can use Pycharm for individual use. For the student is free, you can use it, but I rarely will. As you can see, the prices are not very good. 99 euro supercharged with JetBrains AI Pro. It comes to 200 euro per year, and I don't say you buy it. I buy it one time because I want to show you that it don't have anything really different. You can use the free IDE and get the things you want, but it's some kind of better for using. For example, if we want to use Git and GitHub, it's some kind easier to work with it. I tell you how, but it's not such an important thing too. Okay, let me just give you a quick review about Pycharm. This is the where we write the code. For example, we say if a is equal to 5 plus 6, print a. As you can see, it's a little more slower. This is where the answer comes. You can see the answers here, but you kind of can do something really amazing with it. You can change the visual control of your appearance of your project. For someone that like, you can give it a, let's say you can give it a background or something. I don't really like it. You can change the background to Windows 10 Lite or high contrast, whatever you want. I use Dracula, but for the exchange we can use high contrast. It's some kind of very lightly. I don't like it. Let's go with IntelliJ Light, and you can just say scenes with OS. There is a lots of things we can do with your code to make it beautiful or better. You can change file colors, but you need something for installing the libraries. You need to do something that is different from the things that do in the past. You need to install the libraries from here. You need to add package, for example NumPy. Wait a little, the NumPy is loading. The Python 3.9, it's loading our package. It's maybe take a while. Until then, have a good day. tomorrow I show you the packages and how to add them and start our project immediately. Have a good day.